Hello, I'm going to teach you how to draw a bird. So first, you start with the nose. So this is going to be from the side. So you start like that. So you do side diagonal, and you go straight. Then down, then you go down like that. Then you go from here, the circle, and back down to there. Then you do an eye, see, just go in a circle, that's the face. Then you do like an egg, sideways egg, like that. Then in the middle you go there, and do another one, but you don't end at that bit there. Then you do 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Then you do here like a hand a bit. So do 1, 2, 3. I've only 3. Then you do 2 lines, so you go down, and do the same on the other side, down. Then you do like that, and do something like that way. So you do that, so you do 1, 2, 3. Do exactly the same on the other side. Then you've got a cartoon bird. You colour it in, and then you've finished, and then you can show your friends and stuff.